I rescued a dog that once belonged to a blacksmith. The first thing he did when I brought him home was make a bolt for the door. Archaeologists are having a party to celebrate unearthing the largest ever dinosaur tibia. It's going to be quite the shindig. If you ever get locked out of your house, talk to your house calmly. Because communication is the key. My friend is an abacus. I can always count on him. I started a shipbuilding business inside my house. Sales are through the roof. How does Moses make his coffee? He brews it. What music terrifies balloons? Pop music. I'm Bob Jeffy. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. These lame, groan-inducing jokes were sourced from the dad joke subreddit from reddit.com. Check the show notes page for joke credits.